Ninja Slushi keeps needing resets? Try this. If you find yourself constantly unplugging and replugging your Ninja Slushi to get it working again, something's not right. And resetting shouldn't be part of the daily routine. Here's what to check if your machine needs frequent resets. Step 1. Avoid sugar-free or overly thick mixes. Low sugar drinks or syrup-heavy bases can confuse the sensors, triggering errors or stalls. Stick with mixes that have proper sugar content and a drinkable consistency. Step 2. Clean around the buttons and container base. Sticky residue from slush spills can interfere with controls or detection. Wipe the panel and surrounding areas with a soft cloth and clean the bottom of the container before each use. Step 3. Let the machine fully cool between uses. Rapid, back-to-back cycles without cooldown time can lead to overheating or logic errors. Give it at least 10 minutes between runs to avoid shutdowns. Step 4. Plug into a stable, surge-protected outlet. Power inconsistencies or shared appliance outlets can cause the machine to glitch. Use a dedicated, protected outlet to keep voltage steady. If the resets continue, internal electronics could be failing. Ninja support link is in the description if needed. If this helped stabilize your Slushi, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for quick, proven appliance fixes. And if you want to protect it from future power glitches, we've linked a compact surge protector in the description that's perfect for kitchen counters. Thanks for watching, and swirl steady.